What's going on, everybody? Grim Repair here. Today we're working on a Ford Transit 250. The problem we're having is we don't have any fluid coming out of our windshield wipers when we turn on the washer motor, which is this here. Now, I'd tell you to check the fuse first, but it's actually easier to get down to the washer pump and check for voltage there. So that's what we're going to do first. And if you don't have voltage, we'll come back and I'll show you where the fuse is. We're over here on the right hand side onto the front fender, got the wheel turned, and we're going to come under here. And the washer pump is right here. Here's the reservoir, and there's an electrical connector here. I'm gonna pull it out so you can see it better. Here's the pump. There's a connector on the top. We're gonna squeeze it right here on the side that you can't see. To remove it, you're gonna pop this black tab up like that, and then it's just gonna pull off like that. We're gonna need some paper clips to get into these pins. Make sure your paper clips are metal and they're not coated in a plastic. And make sure you don't touch them together. All right, so we got those in there. Now we're gonna have a helper turn on the washer pump and we're gonna watch our meter. I don't have any assistance, so I'm gonna turn the key on, shove this in here to keep it open. And I have voltage there at the pump. If you have voltage here at the pump and the pump's not coming on, you got a bad pump. If you do this test and you don't have voltage, then you're gonna wanna check the fuse. So I'll show you where that's at. And when we were checking for voltage, we were on DC volts. All right, so if you do that and you don't have voltage, your fuse is under here. And hopefully just blew it because it was an old fuse. If it blows it, your pump may also be bad. But you're gonna come under the dash here. You got a fuse box on this side of the steering column, but it isn't that one. It's over here on this side. And they're pretty hard to see, but they're coming in from the top here. And I believe it's this blue one right here on the left-hand side, a left-hand column. Need a small needle nose, probably a bent needle nose pliers to grab them and pull them out. But your owner's manual will tell you which fuse it is, but that's the box that it's in. And there'll be links down below to the parts used in the video. So here's the electrical connector that we just tested for voltage on. And then this here is gonna go onto the fitting on the side of the pump, right there. And it just clicks onto there, and then you're gonna push this tab in right there to lock it on. I'm gonna hook up the electrical connector to the new one. Come on. And it's just gonna pop into that grommet down there, into the reservoir. Like that. All right, now we can fill it back up with washer fluid and test it out. Here's where we top it off. All right, you're gonna come down here and make sure that it isn't leaking. It's not, it's just rain dripping there. And your van may also have some kind of a fender cover in here covering this up that you may have to remove. None of mine do, but that is a possibility. Probably just held in with a couple plastic clips. All right, now we're in here. We're gonna test it out. There we go, it's working great. That's it, high five, you did it.